In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of recovering data from Parallels HDD files using the BitRecover Parallels HDD Recovery Wizard. To install our Parallels HDD Recovery Wizard, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, select the HDS file from which you want to recover data. Our tool offers users multiple recovery options, including deleted data recovery, formatted data recovery, partitioned data recovery, and raw data recovery. Users can select the option that best suits their needs. Select the deleted data recovery option for this tutorial. Then, select the virtual disk partition to start the data recovery process. Click Next.
A pop-up will appear with the message, "If you are unable to find the deleted or lost files and folders in the directory tree, please select Formatted Data Recovery from the Data menu. Select the individual items or all the items you want to recover." Users can preview deleted data as well before recovering.
Next, simply click the Save button and select the destination folder where the restored data will be saved. After selecting the destination folder, the saving process will begin. Once the saving process is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the saving was successful. Click OK and open the destination folder and view the recovered data. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.